Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Jason Dinsmore from OrganicChemistOnCall.com. I wanted to kind of follow up on the last video that I did. I realized that the way that I was drawing the electrons in the end got a bit more complicated and visually was kind of confusing. Maybe some of you got it, and I think that's wonderful if you did. This is just for those of you that maybe towards the end it got a bit confusing. So I just want to actually draw it out without the electrons and show you, in terms of resonance, what's really going on here and why it works. So if we think about this structure right here, and a minus, and if we take these electrons, and actually what I should do here, we'll just draw this one. So we know that there is an actual hydrogen coming off of there because we need 4 bonds to hydrogen, or 4 bonds to carbon, and we know this one right here. We know that this also has, shrink this a bit. Okay, so let's say this is the structure that we have here. So if we take this and we push that down, and we were just to draw this structure as is, so that would be our double bond like that, and then this would be our double bond up here. We would have our H, we would have our H. We can see here that we have 4 bonds to hydrogen, so that's neutral, or carbon. Geez, why do I keep saying that? 4 bonds to carbon is neutral. And then when we get down here, we see if we didn't move anything, if we just put that minus down, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. So that's what I was trying to relay, which seemed very confusing when I started to look at it in terms of electrons. So that's why it doesn't work. You can't just move one, the resonance, then you have to move that out of the way. It should be double-headed. So then that will wind up giving us, we have our hydrogen there. It's going to give us our double bond there. This hydrogen will still be there. And then that's going to give us our minus out there. So this is just visually, wanted to kind of follow up and show you why this structure right here is no good because of 5 bonds to carbon.